Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the complete syllabus for the second year and subject is analog and digital electronics. Okay, so for your kind information let me tell you that I have already uploaded the video related to the syllabus of DSA and economics for engineer. Okay, so continuing to that guys, today I am going to tell you about the complete syllabus of analog and digital electronics, important subject for almost all students, that is such as the CSC, IT, EC, mechanical, electrical. Almost every student have to study this subject guys. Okay, so in this video I will tell you about some of the other important tips and tricks for getting good marks. Okay, beside that, if you are the candidates who are in the MAKAUT, then you can also join my Telegram group where you will get all types of notes of all these important subject guys. Okay, so let us start our video without wasting our time guys. Okay, so first of all guys, what is the name of subject? That is the analog and digital electronics. Okay, code is ESC 301, that may vary from branch to branch. Okay? And contact is 3 lecture, means in a week you will basically allot a 3 lecture per week. Okay? 3 lecture per week hoga. And your guys course duration is 6 months. Yeah, 6 months means 6 months. You will get sufficient time this year, you know guys. Okay? Semester third, maximum marks is 100. Okay. Practical, yeah, practical hai means 2 hour per week. Okay, so 2 hour per week you will be getting. And what is the credit point for this? Credit point is 3, so you can understand the importance of this subject guys. Okay. Now come to the important point, that what is the objective of learning this. Okay, why you are basically learning this? Because the analog and digital electronics, this is the just significant part, especially in context to the computing and other things. Okay, because you must have idea about the various important gates, about BCD, and these are the important things that you should know. Okay, as a computer engineer or any other engineer. Okay, so that's why it is an important subject. Okay, and what are the prerequisites? So you just will require the basic electronics part, जो कि आप first year में पढ़े हैं. नहीं पढ़े then you will not face much more problem. Okay, but these are the important things that you will require guys. Now coming to the important module, first important module is that is a different class of amplifier. Okay, so where you will study about a different class of amplifier, class A, class B, class AB, class C. Okay, and guys, this is the very important part, that is the amplifier, for especially for the MAKAUT students. Okay, especially for the semester exam guys. Okay, next other important topic that we will study, efficiency, recapitulation of basic concept of feedback and oscillation, phase shift क्या आता है, Bain bridge oscillator, astable, monostable, multistable, and Schmitt trigger. Okay, 555 timer. So these are the important topics you will study in this module guys. Okay, coming to our next module, that is again very important, especially in context to the other third year too, that is the binary number system and the Boolean algebra, where you will study various Boolean algebra, OR gate, AND gate, and various type of important gate you will also study. Okay, and also you will study about the BCD, binary coded decimal, ASCII, that is the American Standard Code for Information Interchange, EBDIC, Gray code. Gray code is very important for your semester exam, again saying that. Okay, then you will study about their conversion, signed binary. Okay, means किस तरह से Gray code को binary to Gray other conversion आप पढ़िएगा. Then you will study about the 1s and 2s complement. Okay, that is again very important. Then you will study SOP, POS, that is the sum of product and product of sum. Okay, अभी आपको लग रहा होगा ये सब topic new, but when you will come to the college then you can understand the importance of this topic guys. Okay, next you will study about the combinational circuit, where you will study about the adder, subtractor. Okay, in a logic base, means in a BCD. Okay, then you will study about the decoder, comparator, where comparator is basically used to compare various important data. Okay, such as 2 and 3 you are comparing. Okay, but in a computer system it is basically compared with respect to binary code. Okay, then you will study about the multiplexer. Okay, 4:1, 16:1. Okay, these are the important multiplexer you will study. Then parity generator, these are the important topics that you will study. Coming to next important, that is the sequential circuit. So you will study about the various sequential circuits such as the JK, SR, T, D. Okay, and other registers such as the CISO. Okay, that is the serial in parallel out, serial in serial out, PIPO parallel in parallel out, PISO parallel in serial out, ring counter, Johnson counter. So these are the important things you will study in this college, in this module guys. Okay, coming to our next very important things, that you will study about the synchronous and asynchronous counter detailed. Okay, आपको detailed में पढ़ना, again important for the semester exam. Later we will study about the design of MOD and counter. Okay, and coming to the last module guys, that is the fourth. Okay, that is the analog to digital and digital to analog conversion. Again important topics for this guys. Okay, and where we will study about the basic concept of digital to analog, R to R only. Okay, and then you will study about the successive approximation, then logic family such as the TTL, ECL, MOS, MOS, CMOS. Okay, and basic concept. So these are the important things that you will study guys. Okay, आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं लेक्चर पर वीक में सबसे ज़्यादा लेक्चर आपको असाइन हुआ बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम. That's why I'm saying guys, this is the important topics that you have to study. Okay, So this is the complete syllabus for the analog and digital electronics, talking about the important books. Okay, so I will also provide books in the Telegram group. Okay, that if you haven't joined the Telegram group, join the Telegram group where you will get the books, notes, PPT, TRW, technical report writing, and other important things. Okay, so I will provide 2 to 3 books in my group too. Okay, talking about the some important books there, guys. So one important book, that is the Maurice Meno Digital Logic Design. I will provide this book too. Okay, next RB Zen Modern Digital Electronics. Okay, और डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कराटे ऑक्सफोर्ड का. ओके, सो दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट बुक्स. ऑल बुक्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, कोई भी आप एक बुक को फॉलो करें, दैट इज सफिशिएंट फॉर गेटिंग गुड मार्क्स का. ओके, so friend, these are the important things. Okay, coming to the last section, that the important tips for getting good marks in this subject, guys. So important tips, guys, please try to follow one of the important channel. Okay, that is the GATE-Smasher, or you can also follow the other important things that I will also provide in a particular video or the playlist. Okay, so you can go through all that things, and this is important for you. Okay, now coming to the important point, guys, that this is the basically tough subject. Okay, there are lots of candidates, there are lots of students saying that भैया ये थोड़ा एक टॉपिक और बेसिकली ये जो मॉड्यूल है और यह एक सब्जेक्ट है बहुत टफ है. बहुत टफ इसलिए उन लोगों को लगेगा जो बेसिक आइडिया नहीं अगर ले पाएंगे. ओके, सो प्लीज़ बी कंसंट्रेट ऑन योर क्लास, और आप पहले दिन से ही ध्यान दें ताकि यू मस्ट नॉट फेस एनी ग्रेटर प्रॉब्लम इन द फाइनल सेमेस्टर एग्जाम का. ओके, प्लीज़ डोंट टेक easy. Okay, so this is the complete tips and tricks. I hope video was informative to you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friend so that this video reach to lots of students. If you have any doubt related to anything, feel free to ask here, guys. Okay, till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.